Hello, project managers. With this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to navigate to your Collaborate team sites, download the proper software that you might need, and actually go to and join the room that you will have that I have established for your particular virtual team. You'll be using Collaborate for your team meetings this semester, so it's just a little bit tricky when you first get started. So let's do that. So we'll go to the Collaborate team sites. Right now all the teams are listed, but sometimes it'll depend on the start and end dates. So if you don't see your teams listed here, you'll need to change the start date prior to when I created them. So let's just go to March 1st because I created these on May 1st, and then click go, and then they should all show up. So if you'll be using these probably every week. So you want to make sure that you can display your virtual teams, and you do that by making sure the start date is prior to today's date, which shows up here every day. So let's say that you are in Team 4. So let's click Team 4. Now you'll probably have to download some software, some JavaScripting software. So let's go ahead and click Join Room first. And if you have not downloaded the Collaborate launcher, you might have to do that. So let's click that, download the launcher, click OK, and then you'll navigate to your downloads folder. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So actually this is the one that was downloaded, so let's double click that. And then you'll have to answer the prompt, do you want to run this application? And when you click run, it will open up the JavaScripting routine that you need to run the Collaborate software. So let's click run. You'll get the Blackboard Collaborate. A window pops up here. If you want to record your session, you can click start. If not, let's just click the close button because I'm not going to record this. So the first person that you're all input as editors for this team. So when you first log in, anyone that's logged in will be logged in right here, and you'll see everyone that's logged in to the Team 4 site. One of the things that you want to make sure whenever you want to talk, that you click the talk button. If you want to show a video, which in this case, it shows the video. Normally you would keep that turned off though, so let's toggle it off. But if you do want to talk, you need to click the talk button, and that turns on your microphone. And you should always keep the talk button off if you're listening. The way that you collaborate on this is a number of ways. Right now we're on what's called the whiteboard, and you'll see an icon up here that opens that whiteboard. If you want to go up to a particular website and share that, you can sure do that. So in this case, I'll just type in a website. Well, that website then opens up. So you can share some resources like that. So if you wanted to show a particular site, then you can do that. But let's go back to the whiteboard by clicking the whiteboard button. One of the main things you will do is share an application. In this case, I'm going to share a Microsoft Word. So you would have to have your document opened up. So you would click Microsoft Word and then click Share. And what pops up is the actual document I have for the discussion questions that I just edited. So in order to get back, what I normally do is hotkey back to the Collaborate, click Tools, Application Sharing, Stop Sharing, and then click Whiteboard, and that takes you back to the beginning. So there's a number of ways to use the team site, the virtual team site. You can have your documents opened up. You can collaborate by talking with each other. So that's basically how you navigate to your virtual team site, download the JavaScripting software, and a little bit about the application sharing through the whiteboard, the website, and then of course the document sharing itself. So that's all for now.